Oh yeah. Time to do another tutorial of the tutorial of the tutorial of the tutorial of the donut course. So, welcome back to my channel, and I'm gonna do another Blender 3.0 video. So if you haven't, subscribe, like, and hit that bell. Now let's get into it. Bum bum bada bum 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 bum. Okay. So this is what our donut looks like. Oh, by the way, in our last course, our Blender donut looks like this. And I pressed shade smooth on it, so yeah. Now, this donut looks like a hat. Kinda good, kinda not. Because if we look at this reference photo, has this droopily bit like this. Oh, this one's a good one. Yeah, this one's a good one. And guess what, guys? What do you have to do? What does every Blender artist have to do when he's trying to make something? Always find a picture that resembles it. So, how do we put this picture in Blender? How? To do that is just save image. I'm just gonna put that there. Alright, I'm just gonna put it there. Saved. Now, we're gonna make this page of the Blender page split. So make this Blender window split into two windows. To do that, there's one of two ways. First, if you go here and you see these two arrows to make these big, to like slide this, you have to right click there and press vertical split, and then you'll see this line that's following your cursor, and you put it in the middle. Yeah, what's up? And another way is if you go like to the corner here or here, you'll see this target sign like in games, and just slide diagonally, and yeah, and slide it back. You just slide it the opposite way, and you go. You just do that. Now, you can change this. If you go up here, you'll see this button, and if you press that, you'll get a list of things. Don't know what's happening there, and you have to press image editor. Now, you have to press open. Okay, unnamed. Oh, needed zoom in. Yeah. If we go to edit mode, you will see our donut is covered. Our vertices are covered. Well, some part of our vertices are covered with this icing. Uh-oh, what should we do now? To fix that, you press this window. No, press this window. Go to right. If you press this thing on the solidify modifier, it will go off. The icing will go off. But that doesn't mean in object mode it will go off. It's still there. But in edit mode, only in edit mode, it will just go off. So now we can make the icing. And of course, proportional editing will go on. And I'm just showing you an example, so you don't need to copy me. It's just a demonstration. If I move down, GZ, and then I move up, you'll see something has happened. Get that. Something very bad has happened. There's a lot of problems happening. If you go to edit mode, I'm pressing tab to go to edit mode. Oh yeah, I'm just doing a demonstration. So, and I'm just also telling you that tab is to switch between. So, anyways, you'll see it's going inside the donut. The vertices are going inside the donut. In object mode, it won't show much. It'll just show this lumpy bit. Yeah, that's the problem. It's sticking out. Like, if you look at the reference photo, it's not sticking out. So, you need to fix that. If you go to edit mode. So if you press Control Z. Okay, cool. We need to fix that. And to do that is you have to do this. So to make it not intersect into the donut, what we have to do is press the snap thing, and it has a magnet icon. So this magnet thing, just press that. Okay. So now you've done that, it will look like it's just like things are like intersecting. It's not good because of this. We have to do project individual elements. Yep, you can read that if you want, and if you understand that, good for you, because I am my kid and I don't understand that. So just press that. And the nail, like it's jaggedy, so we need to apply our subdivision. So if we apply and Control Z, move it to the first. And then apply it. Now going to edit mode. You'll see it has double the amount. So you can like go around doing that. Just do that. Yep. And now we're gonna extrude. You might have not heard it before. I'm pressing Shift to select vertices. So there's E, and Z. EZ. And just do that. And then EZ. And then just do that. It looks a bit square, which is normal. That's why you have to EZ and then EZ. Add the subdivision surface back. Forgot about doing that. That was really bad. Now it should look droopy. Yeah, it looks pretty sound. And now you follow this thing. So it looks like your And then this
part goes up. And then like this goes down. It hurts your hand. And then finally let's use it.
And then if we go to object mode, you'll see that. And then add even more. Oh, oops. And then you want this to be going. And then do that, and then shift. And then I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to do that. Good, great. And now if we look in object mode, it looks pretty nice. Except I need to put that thickness. Oh, a thickness is 85, bro. What's up, ma? God. Chill. That's why it was so thick. I was like, bro, why is it so thick? Somebody write in the comments, why is it so thick? And that circle thing, cross out. I made a mistake there. Yeah. So in the next video, I'm gonna sculpt this and just like do other stuff. So subscribe, like, and hit that bell. Bye, pills.